Grandma.
Hello. It's all part of the trailer, is it?
Yeah, the trailer's part of it.
Oh, ever nice, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey folks, welcome back to the Key. Well, we got a 2-day rental on the man lift, so we've got to get a lot of work done. Purlins and sheeting on the big roof and whatever else we can get done. Anyways, come along for the adventure. We'll see what we can get done. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always helps the channel. Let's go have some fun.
Good morning and welcome back to the Key this morning. As you can see, we have a
Otherwise you can't hold it in place.
there. Did you get what Grandpa said? They have the saw set up with an apparatus for cutting the purlins to length. We have a man lift rented. Unfortunately, it wasn't for the week, it's just for the weekend. But it will be enough to at least get the purlins and the roofing started. We have Grandma videoing as well. And Mark's up there putting stops on so that they can get those purlins going. They've got 1 and 4 cut. And then they'll go from there to get the rest. So progress will definitely be made today. Gonna be a chore with just the 2 of them, but hopefully we'll have Justin stopping by later on to give a hand as well. And in the meantime, Grandma and I are the gophers and we may have to end up cutting. They drove down to Thunder Bay yesterday, which is about a 3-hour drive, 300 kilometers, roughly, for the tow behind man lift. From Equipment World, and now they're learning to use it as they use it. Good thing the controls are pretty simple. But it's slow. I think we have 3 or 4 different video cameras going, so we should get some interesting angles. And if we don't have 3 or 4 cameras going, then you get mine, and that's okay too.
Well, you sure did a good job of getting that roof placed, eh? The whole length of the barn.
Oh yeah,
Without
yeah.
moving it. Yeah.
It could be just a little bit farther back, but you know, really, you know, we can make it work.
as Dad and I are setting up up top, Mari and Mom are cutting all the purlins square so that they fit tight together. Makes life a little easier. We don't have to jump up and down, and things go a little bit faster, which in the case of a 2-day rental with the man lift, we needed to be pretty quick about things. I am getting kind of concerned though, because Mari's getting really handy with the Kubota. Maybe I'll just have to get another one, like his and hers. That's a good idea, I think. Do you think Mari will go for that? Sure she will. Yeah, right. The man lift definitely proved to be invaluable, both in time savings and safety. Kept us off ladders and scaffolding, and the job got done a lot quicker than it could have been. All of the purlins were fastened with the GRK fasteners, the RSSs, and we drove them in place with the Milwaukee's impact drivers. Worked great, and not moving after you put those things, I'm telling you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Always helps the channel.
Heater on full blast in here. Okay, I'll try to pick up most of them, then take it over. Okay.
Another thing that proved to be almost invaluable was the forks. I'm telling you, having to carry all this stuff around, not fun. And the lifting capacity of LX made life real easy for us. But even the LX has limitations. There's about 1,400 pounds of wood on those forks right now, and some of it's right at the tip. I think it'd be kind of neat to have a lifting scale, sort of like the payloaders have, where they know exactly how much weight's on the loader, just to see how much you're actually pushing these machines. With the weight shifted back, now it can even lift more. Hee hee. Well, the materials that are on the forks now is enough to finish the north side of the roof. That's quite a bit of material. Anyways, Mari and Grandma had to go to town, so they weren't able to help us anymore, so Dad and I pre-positioned this stuff. Once we got past this gauntlet of chores that aren't done, and got the rest of things put in place.
Well, folks, transport's going by. Day one's in the books. North side is done. Lots of work. Lots of help from these guys down here. Where do they all go? Missing one. Up there they are. Anyways, chapter 1. Have a good day, folks. Take care. I'm gonna go have some supper. Cheers. Maybe a beer. Bye for now. Hi, Molly.